I live in Milan with my family. Milan is a city of excitement, but it is also a very modern city. Different to the other cities in Italian, which are old like Rome. I live in a house that is small and old. I do not live in an apartment block. La casa, the house, is in front of or opposite the hospital. How awful. The house does not have 2 floors, but only 1 floor. We have 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and to the right of the kitchen there is a bathroom. The living room is not spacious, and we do not have a garage. The laundry is inside the bathroom. My bedroom is a little untidy and very chaotic. I do not like it at all, my bedroom. In fact, I hate my house. In my bedroom, there is a wardrobe, a PlayStation, a computer, and also the photos. I prefer a bedroom or a room that is bigger and more light. We do not have a garden, and so we do not have a dog. Terrible.
I know, right? Not